Nothing piques our interest as much as an insight into our personality. And thankfully, there are a number of ways to have that insight other than just breaking up with your partner and letting them reveal all the negative personality traits that you have. Been there? Done that? Well, not chattering into that territory for now. We have scooped a better way for you to find out about your personality, and that would be by simply analyzing your toe shape. Just like moles on our body or the lines on our palms, the shape of the toes can also help us find out about our personality. So now that you seem excited to know more, here are 5 different toe shapes and what they tell about your personality. Greek toe. The most common type of toe is the Greek toe. The Greek foot is the one in which the finger next to the thumb is the biggest of all the fingers. Anyone who has this type of toe is very active and sporty in nature. These people are always ready to take on new adventures and are also very creative. Aesthetically, they are somewhat emotional but don't like showing that feeling openly. On the downside, people with a Greek toe tend to get stressed way too quickly. They have a competitive attitude which doesn't even spare their partner. People with Greek toes also like making the most controversial statements. Peasant toe. The one with more or less the same length of toe fingers is said to have the peasant foot. People with this toe shape have an enormous amount of patience, and using this patience, these people are able to achieve their goals without plaguing their mental health or getting stressed. Also, people with peasant toes are the most thoughtful individuals. They come up with the practical advice and their opinions are exceptional. These people are also very honest and loyal when it comes to love. On the downside, the one with the peasant toe likes to spend most of the time with themselves and don't usually have many friends. They don't like sharing their feelings, which sometimes make dealing with them difficult. Egyptian toe. Egyptian toe is very common among people. This toe has the longest thumb followed by the decreasing size of other fingers. Personality-wise, the one with an Egyptian toe loves pampering. These people are dreamy about romance and want to try the best of it firsthand. Egyptian toe natives have an eye for natural aesthetic like mountains, rivers, and anything that involves nature. They are really sweet individuals but also know how to deal with the ones who try to be oversmart. On the downside, the Egyptian toe belongs to people who are pretty private and have hidden depths. These people have a habit to procrastinate which stops them from achieving big things in life. Roman toe. The Roman toe can be identified as one in which the first 3 fingers are of the same height and the remaining fingers decrease in size constantly. The one with this toe is said to have a balanced personality. These people are outgoing and love adventure. They like exploring new places and cultures. People with Roman toe are very brave when it comes to taking on new challenges. Due to their hard work, they usually make great leaders. On the downside, people with this toe shape can also be a bit self-centered. They want to do things as per their schedule, and this could give anyone a feeling of uneasiness when around them. Stretch toe. The type of toe in which there is a significant gap between the thumb and the fingers. People sporting a stretched toe are said to be independent. They don't like to be tamed or limited by boundaries that society has set. However, they will take note of your opinion if it makes sense to them. These people are good listeners and tend to talk a bit less. However, when it comes to arguments, they are drawn to them like a moth to a flame. For negatives, these people can be tough to convince and are not really in approval of others' idea. They sometimes could be so stubborn that it might irritate you. These people are also not very romantic and lack ideas when it comes to romance. For more videos like this, follow Astro Talk.